So I'm disappointed as an American that the US government has decided to have this protectionist move. You know, historically, the US has been the major proponent in the world of free trade. And I think free trade is very beneficial. I'm in favor of free trade because we need to produce things as cheaply as possible, and that can be done when we have free trade. It will at least slow it down very radically, and indeed may have implications for it being difficult for the US to meet its 2050 carbon emission goals. I think it doesn't matter so much at the end of the day if a technology comes from China, or a technology comes from Europe, or a technology comes from the US. The important thing should be that we as a globe decrease the carbon emissions and hopefully get to net zero emission. Environmental things, it's really the area that we all need to collaborate because we're all in one world together. So yes, I do think it will negatively affect the US if it continues to have tariffs, particularly on environmentally focused areas. I also believe that it is good that everyone gets serious about EV market, everyone gets serious about other things such as solar cells and batteries and wind power. And you know, the Chinese government deserves credit for being an early mover in these areas. I think that China has done a lot to help the world move towards a green future. I think that China has done a great job of moving forward to try to help not only China, but to some degree the world have technologies that can have a greater impact on the green transition.